Hello and welcome to this XtensionIT tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to go over how you can install the nShift Shipment Connector in your Business Central environment through Microsoft AppSource. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the extension marketplace, and we can utilize the search function in Business Central in the top right corner, and we're going to type in extension marketplace. Now, once we've opened up the marketplace, we can then utilize the search functionality top right corner here, and we're going to type in XtensionIT nShift. And then we're going to select the first available solution right here. And once you've opened up the nShift Shipment Connector page here, you'll get a brief summary of some of the information around the nShift Shipment Connector. You get the value proposition, the requirements, and how to get started. Now, once you feel adequately prepared to continue, you can hit the free trial button here and there. And then once you've done that, you will be able to select your preferred language. Once you've done that, you can then hit the install button in the bottom right corner. And as you do that, the nShift Shipment Connector will then be installed into your Business Central environment. So thank you for joining me in this brief tutorial. If you'd like to see more tutorials such as this one, please follow the channel for more. If you'd like to know more about XtensionIT and our solutions, there'll be a link to our website in the description. Thank you.